Have you ever wondered how your body stops bleeding when you get a cut? Why does blood suddenly form a clot and protect you from losing too much blood? The answer lies in a tiny but powerful component of your blood: platelets. In today's video, we'll explore what platelets are, how they work, their role in clotting, healing, and inflammation, and what happens when platelet levels are abnormal. Let's begin. Platelets, also known as thrombocytes, are small cell fragments found in the blood. Unlike red or white blood cells, platelets do not have a nucleus, meaning they are not complete cells. They are produced in the bone marrow from large cells called megakaryocytes. Even though platelets are tiny, they play a life-saving role by helping the body prevent excessive bleeding. Platelets have a disc-shaped structure when inactive. Their outer membrane contains special receptors that help them detect injury and communicate with other platelets. Inside platelets are granules, which store important chemicals. Alpha granules contain clotting proteins like fibrinogen and growth factors. Dense granules contain substances like ADP and calcium, which activate other platelets. Platelets also have a cytoskeleton made of actin and myosin, which allows them to change shape when activated. When a blood vessel is injured, platelets are the first responders. Here's what happens. Adhesion. Platelets stick to exposed collagen at the injury site. Activation. They change shape and release chemical signals. Aggregation. More platelets gather, forming a temporary plug. This process is called primary hemostasis. At the same time, the clotting cascade begins. Clotting factors activate one another through two pathways. Intrinsic pathway, inside the blood vessel. Extrinsic pathway, triggered by tissue damage. Both pathways lead to the formation of thrombin, which converts fibrinogen into fibrin. Fibrin forms a strong mesh that stabilizes the platelet plug and creates a solid blood clot. Platelets are activated mainly by vascular injury, exposure to collagen, and chemical signals like ADP and thromboxane A2. Once activated, platelets change shape, release granules, express surface receptors, and bind to fibrinogen. This creates a rapid amplification process, ensuring bleeding stops quickly. Platelets do more than just stop bleeding. They release growth factors, including platelet-derived growth factor, PDGF, and transforming growth factor beta, TGF-B. These growth factors stimulate tissue repair, promote new blood vessel formation, and help cells grow and migrate to the wound area. Platelets also help control inflammation, attracting immune cells while preventing excessive tissue damage. Problems with platelets can lead to serious health issues. Thrombocytopenia, low platelets, occurs when the platelet count is below normal. Causes include bone marrow disease, infections, and autoimmune disorders. Symptoms include easy bruising, bleeding gums, and prolonged bleeding. Thrombocythemia, high platelets, occurs when the platelet count is too high. This increases the risk of blood clots and can cause headaches, dizziness, and vision problems. Both conditions require proper diagnosis and medical management. Doctors use several tests to evaluate platelets, including complete blood count, CBC, and platelet aggregation tests. These tests help diagnose bleeding disorders and monitor treatment effectiveness. Modern research has revealed exciting new insights into platelet biology. Scientists are studying platelet signaling pathways in platelet-derived extracellular vesicles. These discoveries may lead to personalized treatments, safer blood-thinning drugs, and better prevention of heart attacks and strokes. Abnormal platelet activation plays a major role in heart attacks, strokes, and thrombosis. Maintaining healthy platelet function is essential for overall cardiovascular health. Platelets may be small, but their impact on human health is enormous. They help stop bleeding, heal wounds, regulate inflammation, and protect the heart and blood vessels. Understanding platelets helps us appreciate how intelligently the human body responds to injury. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about human biology, health, science, and educational topics, visit our website, HUMANITYUAPD.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.